Okay, I just now did my dishes, got them done. Anyway, still haven't eaten the tomatoes. I've got tomatoes to eat. My garbage is decent. I got some marshmallows and peach rings and bread to go with my oatmeal and Tang. My mom says I hardly get anything, but I come back and I got a chair full, so I'm getting some stuff. How much coffee do I have left? Oh, it's 4 cups. 4 cups of coffee left. And I got coffee to make, of course. I ordered a pizza, so I gotta get rid of that. I gotta eat the crusts first. And then I got some Tang cup down there and some avocados. And my mom is telling me to keep the strawberry stems because she has guinea pigs. So that's that bowl of strawberry stems and strawberries. I got more in my fridge than I normally have because of that pizza. But I needed a pizza. It was about time for a pizza. I hadn't had a pizza in a month or so.